Hello, everyone. I'm Rebecca Bickham, editor of Materials Performance Magazine. Joining me today is Cedric Oudinot, president of CSNRI. Thank you so much for being here today, Cedric.
Thank you for having me, Rebecca.
Absolutely. So, CSNRI is a global high performance critical infrastructure company that focuses on advancing the industry through new technologies. But for those who may not be familiar with what that means or with CSNRI, can you tell us a little bit about your company and the services you offer?
Sure. Let me explain. So CSNRI is the main division for Clock Spring NRI. CSNRI is the brand for our composite solutions. So the company includes civil infrastructure, water solutions with brands like Fife, Geotree, AVT. But getting back to CSNRI, we offer the most comprehensive composite solution portfolio to repair critical energy assets. So this includes turnkey solutions from full upfront engineering, design, installation procedures, certified field supervision to ensure the strict compliance to our standards. This approach ensures the best level of long-term performance for our solutions. I would also note that we're the only composite repair manufacturer in the space to be vertically integrated, which means that we're operating our own chemical facilities, our fabric manufacturing facilities, and impregnation operations, all made in the US. So this integration and scale allows us to innovate across all the different components and ensure reliability of supply, which, of course, in the current context, has been greatly appreciated of our customers. We also have regional offices in the UK, Dubai, Malaysia, and rely on over about 50 trusted installation partners around the globe who are yearly certified by CSNRI.
So, I hear that CSNRI strives to utilize composite repair technologies. Could you tell our audience what composite repair is?
Well, the term comes from blending dissimilar materials, which then, when assembled, have a vastly superior performance envelope than the individual components. So, the main blocks for a composite reinforcement solution are a high-performance resin, specifically formulated for the application, and an engineered fabric, which can be composed of fiberglass, carbon, basalt, or a combination of these. The system is installed on an anti-corrosion layer, which typically tie into the main line pipe anti-corrosion system. Upon full cure, the resulting composite solution is vastly stronger than the steel asset that's protecting. I always find it fascinating to watch a slow motion hydrotest burst on a pipe repaired by a composite, only to see it fail at the metal seam and never through the properly engineered composite system. There's a good reason why we all fly in composite aircraft these days. It works. The question is, if you're okay betting your life on a composite aircraft, why not use it on your pipeline integrity needs?
So now that we know what composite repair technologies are, could you tell us how CSNRI uses them to advance the industry?
Yeah, that's a great question. So we do quite a lot, actually. It all starts with a very talented group of individuals, I think the best in the industry, who are passionate about our technology and remain focused on solving increasingly complex asset integrity challenges for our customers. The group leverages material science, fundamental and application-specific engineering, and finally, large-scale testing facilities and partner, which may include participation in joint industry programs. But you asked, how do we help advance the industry? Well, using engineered composite solutions, we help our customers provide reliable energy to the world for the next decades. CSNRI composite solutions are safer and lower cost to install than metal-based alternatives. We also have by far the longest track record in the industry, over 25 years now, having repaired most major energy arteries in the world, from the US to Canada, Europe, Africa, Middle East, Asia. In fact, our solutions have been used in over 100 countries. Last but not least, composite repairs dramatically reduce the greenhouse gas footprint of each repair, which help our customers meet their ESG commitment. That's how we help advance the energy industry, one composite repair at a time.
Wonderful. And composite repairs are often used with corrosion induced defects in pipelines. But are there other areas or ways it can be utilized?
Sure, composites are an excellent, well-proven method to reinforce a variety of asset types and a broad spectrum of defects. So Using our application engineering approach, we can support the full energy value chain, repairing offshore, onshore production assets, midstream lines to tanks, refineries, and associated facilities. Our core business remains the midstream pipeline segment, however, and here we've been raising the bar in challenging applications like geohazard areas or even advanced crack-like feature repairs. Again, making it safer to operate such critical lines which service communities and benefit local economies. One of our core values is to improve every day. We're relentless at innovating for our customers. That is CSNRI in a nutshell.
This has been a great discussion. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Rebecca, thanks for having me.
Again, we were joined by Cedric Oudinot, President of CSNRI. If you want to learn more about CSNRI, visit csnricomposites.com. I'm Rebecca Bickham, editor of Materials Performance Magazine. Thank you so much for watching today.